Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dears. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will be talking about that how we can download a particular or any video from YouTube without installing any downloader. So in order to download a video from YouTube, so first you have to visit YouTube, and here you can download any video, but I will download this first one video. So from here you click on the three dots, so you are seeing below the video. So click on this and then click on the share. So here you have to share and then copy the link from here. So once you copy the link, then go to your browser. So my browser is Chrome, and click on the Chrome and then go to the home tab, and here you have to search save from net. So this is an online downloading service. So click on this YouTube downloading, and here paste your link. So here I paste my link, and this then first click on the down arrow. So here you see the arrow, and then hit the download here. So your video will be downloaded now. So downloading has started now. Let's check the details. So it is almost downloaded. So this is about to finish. So it is downloaded fully. Now you can watch.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this tutorial. And this tutorial,
and now you can check it in your gallery. So let's move to the, and from here let's check your file manager, and at the top you see this video.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this tutorial. And this methods in which you experiment number 9.
So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so please subscribe and also hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.